This is our new model chair, R7289. It's a medium wide design. It's made of a fabric material, and we'll be assembling our oatmeal color, which comes in 3 boxes. Opening box 1 will give me just the bottom cushion. Opening box 2, you'll have the backrest that comes in a bag, which I've already removed. You get a set of a booklet of instructions, and you also get a hardware box. Opening box 3 will give me the left arm and the right arm. To install the armrest, you actually have to line up these brackets with the brackets on the base. We've pre-installed one right now. I'm going to show you how to install the last arm. You line up the brackets from the top, and once they're lined up on both sides, you press down firmly until it's secure. Once the armrests are installed, you want to go ahead and install the backrest. But before to do so, you do have to take some precautionary steps. You actually have to remove this foam. You need to dispose of the foam. You also need to remove these brackets. These are actually to protect the brackets that hold in the backrest in place. So you need to dispose of all that styrofoam and these brackets as well. Once you have both of the armrests on, it's time to install the backrest. I've actually laid the backrest on top of the arms, and you can actually see these brackets on the backrest that are supposed to line up with these brackets on the bottom cushion. So you just want to line up the brackets through these holes on these brackets and make sure they slide all the way up where these pins touch. This Velcro attaches to this piece of Velcro right here, so make sure this stays forward. And to do so, you simply just want to grab the backrest, line up the brackets on both sides, and then press down. We're ready to connect all the hardware. I want to show you, this is the power adapter, this is our lift remote, this is our anti-tipping device. I've already pre-installed one right here, so you know how it goes. And then we have 2 replacements for the anti-tipping devices. The lift remote, I'm going to actually throw over here to the side while holding on to the end. I'm going to connect it right here. The right side arm power is a USB port with this cable that we connect right here. And the power adapter has a special style plug. You got to make sure that those line up together. And then the anti-tipping device lines up with these 2 holes right here. So you run those bolts through the back. And you use the wing nuts to lock it in place. Pressing this button and holding will bring the footrest up. Pressing and holding this button will bring the chair to an upright position and also begin to lift. The chair is already assembled, and we've lifted the chair to its lifting position so you can see how high it lifts. At this position, you'll see 2 anti-slipping hooks, 1 on each side, 2 dual USB ports, pockets on the sides, pockets on the front, and we also feature a nice 27-inch wide seat cushion. The down button will press, if we press and hold, will actually bring the chair to an upright position from the lift position. Once it's in an upright position, the footrest will actually start to come out. And when the footrest actually starts to extend, you'll notice the extension come out so that when you're in the reclined position, your heels aren't dangling. So you'll see right now the footrest comes out slowly. The extension follows it right after. In this position, you can see we also have 2 cup holders. This is the max recline position for the chair. And you don't necessarily have to stop at this point. You can stop at any point at given time, at whichever point you choose.